friends, welcome to Project Homestead. Today I am feeling very overwhelmed because I have got a lot on my plate. All things I've put on my plate by myself. It's what I do. I overload my plate and then I try to figure out how am I going to do it all now. So tomorrow is payday and I have a lot of shopping to do. I decided I'm going to get more wet food tomorrow for you. Yes, you is. You're sick of all the dry food you've had the last 3 days. Coco has only had dry food for 3 days and she's feeling very upset about it. Isn't you? Isn't you? So today I thought we would get ourselves organized so that tomorrow we can hit the ground running. All right, today's video is to get the refrigerator and the deep freezers cleaned out and then filled up with bulk food and organized. We have got a very sad empty drawer. We've got a shallot, which is not looking so great. We've got to clean this out. We've got 2 tomatoes, some lettuce. I cannot wait until I figure out how to grow sweet lettuce. My lettuce is not good. We've got some cheese. We've got some butter, a lot of butter. I have a lot of butter. Some some cream cheese and some Japanese mayo. We've got ourselves some miso paste. I don't know what that is. Oh, I know what that is. That's an old daikon radish that I didn't end up using, so that's going in the compost. Some rice that I didn't use up yesterday. I'm probably going to do something with that for dinner because I don't want to waste it. Tiny little bit of this green powder left. Some jam that I canned. Garlic paste. We've got some old hummus. Oh, I'm scared to open this actually. Doesn't smell great either. So that's gonna go away. What else do we got back here? We've got a couple of those pickled onions that we made. How long are pickled onions good for? I'm just gonna grab one of these out and try it. It's okay. It's a little weird. I'm gonna get rid of it. Maybe it's a little off. We've got our pickles. I literally made those yesterday, so I know those are good. A tiny little bit of our green onion kimchi, which I'm gonna finish that today. We've got a little bit left of our sauerkraut that we made. My son's gonna want to eat some of that. I've got a couple more of those pickled eggs that I made. I think there's like 4 eggs left in there. I started with 13. These are really good in a salad. I like them cut up in a salad. Olives and some more olives, and then an old, ooh, that looks scary. Sauerkraut. Oh, that does not look good. That's getting cleaned out. So the fridge looks pretty gross. I'm not gonna lie, empty and gross, but I wanna try one of these pickles today because I made these yesterday. And I'm very curious how they taste. For you guys, it will be like a week. That feels like a pickle. Oh my gosh. Just went and got this is no joke. The best look at this. Does that not look like a pickle? It's even yellow like a pickle. And they're crunchy. For a pickle that's been cut. That's getting better and better. I'm pretty sure on Mary's video over at Mary's Nest, she said this could last like 3 months in the refrigerator. I can guarantee that will not happen. I'm sure it could happen if they weren't so delicious, but I'm going to definitely be finishing these off. I'm gonna wait until my husband's home because I wanna have these on a hamburger. So I will show you guys what that's like and how he likes them. But these pickles, these are amazing. These are so good. Thank you, Mary. Try these. If you like dill pickles, head over to Mary's Nest and check out her quick pickle recipe and give her some love. They're so good. Very glad I have these. I just want to clean out this refrigerator really quickly. Get ourselves ready for this month. Today I was making some eggs and I sauteed up a leek that I had in the refrigerator. And as I was sauteing it up, I just kept thinking to myself, how amazing is it going to be when I have grown my own leeks, harvested it from the garden, and I'm sauteing something that I have nurtured and loved and grown myself. I just can't tell you how much joy that gives me. These eggs have been in here for a while now. If you like pickled eggs, you probably would know this, but these get better with time. I'm stuffed because I've eaten a lot of food, but yeah, they just get better. I want to try a jalapeno though. These jalapenos that I pickled have been in the refrigerator for over a month. Wow, that's very crunchy and very full flavor. Nice. And if you want to see this video, head over to Simple Living Alaska. Check out their pickled egg recipe because that's the one I used. This is my imitation Green Street Kitchen kimchi. I've got so many olives, and you might be thinking, why do you have so many olives? It's the jars. It's $7 for this huge thing of olives, and I do it for the jar. So, if you're wondering. I love these jars right here for fermenting. That's what I fermented this in. That's what I fermented this in. Personally, I'm finding it really hard here in Western Australia to source good jars. And so when I see these at Aldi, I grab them. I usually grab the peaches. The same company also does half peaches, Spanish peaches. It's easy to eat the peaches, but the olives are a bit harder to go through. But I did it for the jar. The mother, some gut relief. I'm going to be doing something with this rice tonight for dinner. Some miso paste, which I showed you. Livezyme. This is an amazing company. If I ever have a gut ache from something that I ate, this stuff takes it away, no joke, for me in like 10 minutes. I don't think it tastes good, but I keep it because it's a lifesaver. Just a little pro tip there. Like, why do I have so much butter? I mean, I'm grateful, but why aren't these in the freezer? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit embarrassed showing you guys my refrigerator, but you know, it's life. If you're gonna YouTube, you kind of have to be willing to show the embarrassing stuff. At least if you're YouTubing something like I am YouTubing. So, that's what it is. All right, so we've done a lot of bulk food, and now the refrigerator is looking pretty full, but very disorganized. So we're gonna try to organize this out. If you can see, I've got 2 enchiladas here. I've got 2 shepherd's pies there. Well, mashed potatoes and veg right there. I need to get these into the freezer. I also have 3 things of breakfast sandwiches I need to get into the freezer. The problem is, my freezer looks insane. Everything is everywhere. It's very disorganized. It's very disheveled. If you can see in there, things are just piled up on each other. It's a mess, and I can't fit anything else underneath these baskets. So I'm gonna go through, take everything out, get some of this snow kind of stuff that's built up, and then put everything back into the freezer. So this is a big task. I'm gonna try to do it within an hour and a half because I've got some friends coming over. Well, my kids have some friends coming over, and I don't want all this out when they're here. So it is go time. Let's get this done. Also, I need to get all of this food into that freezer, so it's going to be a huge task. Let's get going. I haven't been recording. Okay, I was taking out all of the food from my freezer. That's so annoying. I'm really sorry, guys. All right, so we need to refit all of this in there, plus all of this into the freezer. Oh, and it needs to be defrosted. So I'm gonna scrape it down with our bench scrape.
Tell me something I haven't heard before. 'Cause I'm restless and I'm dying to know more. Show me something I haven't seen before. 'cause I'm tired of the same boats, the same shore. It's time, my friend, to leave this hell behind us. We got everything we need to make a change. I can't keep pretending.
This brings back memories of shoveling snow in Utah when I used to live there. Or Connecticut when I used to live there. Painful. It's painful. Alright, we're done. Woo! It's cold. Hands. Alright, we're not perfect, but we're a lot more cleaned out. We got all of this out of our freezer.
I'm right where I wanna be. I'm hopelessly in need of better days. 'Cause I'm too young to face the end, but I'm old enough to start again.
It's fitting so beautifully, as you can see there. Let's keep going. I got some meat I gotta put away.
Still got time. The world is trying to pin me down, but I'm running at the speed of light, and I still got time. Still got time. Give me something worth fighting for.
And then in here I had a ton of fruit, which I didn't know I had. I have 2 dim sums here. I have some salmon there. I have the chili there. Some meat and chili. The oatmeals, more chili. Shepherd's pies. And we got our bananas here. Put our bananas back. And I am happy with this. This is looking organized. Close. Gosh, I just forgot about these, so I need to get these in. I have plenty of room, so it's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and put the enchiladas into the freezer. Shepherd's pie. We got our shepherd's pie in right there. So there we go. So happy with this. Okay, we've got the 2 chickens here. I'm trying to be very quick because things are starting to defrost a bit. And so I'm not trying to be super strategic right now. I just want to get things in here. Uh-oh. I do want to come in and organize this smaller deep freeze, but right now it's just stock of different sorts and frozen vegetables. So I will get to it. It's just not going to be in this video. I just needed to get the freezer meals put away. And in order to put those away, I needed to show you guys everything I did in the freezer meals, which was my video from last Monday. So that's why I had to do this right now. I don't have the energy to do it right now, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I will finish organizing that guy later. Forgot one. Let's put him in there. And here's the fridge. This is actually about 3 days after I did the grocery shopping. So there's lots of vegetables in these drawers and some dairy. There was cheese and butter there. Those are herbs that are dried for my daughter's school. And then I have this yogurt that was given to me. I don't really know about it. Lots of probiotics and vitamins and all my fermented things are on the top shelf there. And that's it, nice and clean. Do you want to hear something kind of funny? This is the end of my video, so I came down here to record the end of this video, and I thought to myself, oh man, I recorded the refrigerator clean out and the deep freezer clean out a couple of days ago, and I thought, oh, that's so annoying. I'm going to be wearing something different. I just realized I think I'm wearing the exact same thing. No, I am. I'm wearing the exact same thing, a black shirt and braids. I'm wearing this exact same thing from a couple of days ago, which is just funny. But that's it for this video, guys. I am going to be doing a video very soon about cleaning out the clutter. I feel like my house is so cluttered. It's starting to just, when you have lots of stuff, for myself anyways, when I have lots of stuff, I feel like stuff just piling up in the shelves and stuff piling up over there, and just everything is just so much. My cupboards are full. I don't have places to put everything. Let me just show you my stairs. It's crazy. I can't do it anymore. Actually, no. I'm gonna show you this. If mess scares you, look away. Yep. Hashtag that's my life. It's like we've got a constant like thing going up the stairs. And then once we get to the middle stairs, look at this. More clutter on the stairs. We've constantly got yarn going up and down the stairs from the cats. I also want to get rid of these curtains. I think for Mother's Day, I'm gonna ask hubby if we can just do curtains for me. I've been trying to be so good on the budget, but every time I look at them, I'm just like, I want to celebrate these when I'm completely out of debt, but I'm literally months away. As long as we can stick on to our budget. And when I say debt free, I don't mean my little mortgage. I mean all the unnecessary credit card and loans and gross things like that. So, but that's not what this video is about. We will do another debt video very soon, talking about all that stuff. But I'm gonna let you know the decluttering is a video that is coming very soon to my channel because I need to declutter. I would like to get rid of like 10 trash bags, bare minimum. So we're gonna go through everything. We're gonna go through my closet. We're gonna go through the downstairs closet, all the kids' stuff, the toys, the stuff, the art, the books, the kitchen, everything. We're just gonna get stuff gone. But that's it for this video. We've got very, very, very full freezers. Very, very, very full fridge. It doesn't seem too full. I don't have a lot of things going on in my fridge right now because I'll usually pull out a freezer meal, and right now I don't actually have a freezer meal in there. I probably should do that. Let's do that. Let's grab out a freezer meal. Everything's the same except for there's bread now. I was given a lot of bread and other things. See, clutter. It just needs to go. Shepherd's pie, not shepherd's pie. There's no gravy in it, so it's like mashed potatoes, nice mashed potatoes, like nice, and veggies. But my kids are gonna love it. So. I wonder how this is. Like, I made this popcorn the other day. It's nice. Good job, Mama. I did good. Yum. This video is coming soon. It's a snack video. Freezer snack video. These are also in that video. I want to try one of these chocolate freezer balls. That is good. That is really good. I really like the base of that. I'll be sharing that video with you very soon. We've got a freezer meal here. Right. There goes the freezer meal. Stick it right there. And there we go. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining this video. Thank you for all your support. And hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I've gotten like 100 subscribers in the last month. And I am really touched and really grateful. So I just want to welcome all of you to my channel. Feel free to comment if you ever want to comment on one of my videos. I get the best tips from you guys on my comment section. I love it. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Put the bell notification if you want to know when I upload something. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And until next time, friends, bye.